sells over 70% of home computers? Who supplies more computers than Amstrad, Apple, Compaq, Tandem, and Olivetti? Who's been given the thumbs up by Her Majesty's government? Whose computers are helping teachers bring education alive? This company has been steadily building a name for itself in every computer market. At home, in business, in the service of government and education. Perhaps that's news to you too. Today, Commodore is recognized as the second largest shipper of computers in the world, meeting the needs of people everywhere. Take the home market, for example. The Amiga really is the ultimate home computer. Ideal for a child's education, not only when they're tiny, but throughout their academic life. Use the Amiga like an artist's sketch pad with over 4,000 colors. For the musically minded, try creating a symphony with Amiga's orchestra of instruments. And of course, this machine's superior graphics and sound make it a formidable opponent in all the latest games. Yet this home computer is as businesslike as it is creative. The Amiga 500 is definitely for everyone in the family to enjoy. Commodore is also a major player when it comes to business. Since the days of PET, the first ever personal computer, we've continued to develop our complete range of business PCs. In fact, this year saw the launch of a new initiative for small businesses who were feeling slightly out of step with computers. What these people wanted was not only the basic equipment to get started, they needed plain, straightforward advice as to how to set up and use their computer. Hence the Commodore PC Starter Pack, a complete package that contains everything you need to get started. A dependable computer, naturally, monitor, keyboard, 3 business software programs, and a 20-minute video that teaches everything step by step. Obviously, this is what small businesses have been waiting for, because in a few short weeks we received well over 10,000 inquiries wanting to know more. 1990 also saw the launch of the Commodore Professional series, an integrated range of XT and AT compatibles, 386 machines, and the Amiga 2000, widely acknowledged as the best value computer for desktop publishing, computer-aided design, and AV presentation. Commodore is right at the heart of many of Europe's most successful businesses, making the trains run on time, as working partners in the car business, in shipbuilding, textiles, and electronics. Closer to home, we're involved in television broadcasting, manufacturing, finance, and we even help train pilots. As an approved HMSO supplier, we're working with the Ministry of Defense, with hospitals where our PCs literally help save lives, and with the fire brigade where Commodore computers help reconstruct the cause of a fire. In education, we start young. After all, to a 4-year-old, a computer is no more frightening than a colored pencil. And throughout her academic life, we help make her education more interesting in a whole variety of subjects. So whatever it is people want from computers, be it at home, in business, serving the public, or in education, Commodore will always be there, ready with the answers.